Hi there, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review on HelloFresh. This is my first time trying it out. This is not a sponsored video. I just got a really good deal on Groupon, so I figured let me try it out to see if this can help me cut down on going to the grocery store and cut down on running out of ideas on what to cook for dinner. So when you open the box, there's a couple of materials on top. There's a marketing envelope, which I wasn't interested in. Then you get the nutrition information on all of the ingredients in there. This is a good item to review because this is where you'll find out how to store things, what the ingredients are, and if you're not going to cook something, which one you should freeze or store in the refrigerator. Then you get the recipe cards for each of the items. This is a classic box with 3 recipes for 2 people. So there's a Mediterranean salmon recipe, there's a balsamic rosemary skirt steak recipe, and a turkey chili recipe that I can't pronounce the last word of. So today I'm going to be starting with the turkey recipe, which you'll see in a few. Then there's some more marketing materials on HelloFresh. I couldn't figure out what this was, but I just flipped through it. So when you finally get through all that, you open the box and then you have 3 bags containing the produce for the 3 meals, and they're nicely packed and well organized. And this is the turkey chili recipe, and that's the balsamic rosemary skirt steak recipe, which is a premium item, which means you have to pay extra for it. This one was extra $10 or $5. Then the last bag in the box is the Mediterranean salmon recipe. So the box is nicely packed where you have the produce on top, then you have the meats underneath it next to the ice pack, which helps preserve your meats and keep the meats cooler. So there's the ground turkey, and it also lists the ingredients on each of these items. This is the beef skirt steak, which looks pretty fresh. I would hope so, if given that it's coming from HelloFresh. And then the Alaskan salmon fillet. At the bottom there's a ice pack, which is recyclable. I really like the fact that I can recycle that, and I also kind of squeeze it to see if it thawed or if it melted, but it held up pretty well. So for today's video, I'm going to be making the turkey chiles rellenos. I hope I said that right. This is a 35-minute total recipe with 680 calories, and it has 6 steps, which are pretty simple. I think it's simple even for beginners. So when you open the bag for that recipe, you have the ingredients individually packed and labeled nicely. So there's 2 packets of Monterey Jack cheese, and then this is the first veggie stock concentrate packet. Then you have the poblano peppers, which were very fresh. Again, they did good on freshness. Then the second pack of veggie stock. This is the chipotle powder, some jasmine rice. This is half a cup of jasmine rice. One jalapeno pepper, crushed tomatoes, a Southwest spice blend, and a yellow onion. And of course, I'll need the ground turkey that was at the bottom of the box. This is the final results. It ended up tasting really good. My daughter loved the rice and the turkey, although she couldn't eat the pepper part of it because it was too spicy for her. So overall, I think HelloFresh was wonderful. It helped me balance out my time and was a great way for me to cook dinner real quick and not waste time figuring out what to do. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below and let me know if you want a review on the other 2 recipes, and I will post it up for you guys. Thank you for watching.